Constraints. Constraints are logical operands that we use on our selected design to make it more accurate or to define one position in relationship to another design element. So these constraints are called geometric constraints, and we apply them usually when we're in the sketching mode. And Fusion 360 automatically applies these as we put them in, so we don't have to spend extra commands to apply these constraints. However, you can manually apply geometric constraints. We have like 12 different constraints. Up here we have a horizontal and vertical, so it constrains a single line to either horizontal or vertical. We have a coincidence, so two lines are tied together at one point. We have tangent, where the line is tangent to the circle at one and only one point. We have equal, so like maybe two circles are equal or two lines are equal, any two objects. We have parallel, so two lines are parallel. They never intersect. We have perpendicular, where two lines are at 90 degrees to each other. We can lock or fix something in place so it doesn't move. We can also set the midpoint, so it constrains the object to the midpoint of a different object. We can have a constraint, which constrains two or more arcs or circles to the same center point. We can make it collinear, so two lines, when they're collinear, they keep going in the same line. So if we extend the line, it would be the same line. We can do symmetry, so we can mirror one side to the other. And we have curvature, so it creates two, if we have two objects, it creates a smooth continuous curvature between the two objects. I like to say it makes a nice smooth curving line in between the other two objects. So these are our types of constraints, and they're automatically applied when we're in the sketching mode in Fusion 360.